In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Microsoft Word. Start by opening your document in Word so you can see your content as you work. At the top of the window, go to the Design tab. This is where Word groups tools that affect the overall look of your document, and it's exactly where watermarks live. In the Page Background section on the right side of the ribbon, click Watermark. A menu will open with ready-made options and the tools to build your own. If you want something fast and professional, choose one of the preset watermarks from the dropdown, such as Confidential or Draft. The moment you select one, Word places it behind your text on every page. This is a quick way to communicate status without altering your main content. If you'd like more control, click Custom Watermark at the bottom of that menu. The dialog box gives you two paths: Picture Watermark or Text Watermark. Choose Picture Watermark if you want to use an image like a logo. Upload your image from your computer, then adjust the scale so it fits the page without overwhelming your content. If you want a subtle, professional look, check the Washout option. Washout lightens the image, so your text stays readable while the image remains visible in the background. Alternatively, choose Text Watermark if you prefer a clean, text-based mark. Type your text, maybe a status, a department, or a project name, then set the font, size, and color. You can also pick the layout, either diagonal for a bold angle across the page, or horizontal for a more understated look. Use the transparency control to dial in how strong or subtle the text appears. A medium gray tone with higher transparency often works well because it signals the message without competing with the main content. When everything looks right in the preview, click OK. Word applies the watermark behind your text on all pages automatically, including any new pages you add later. It doesn't change your actual content. It sits in the background so you can continue editing as usual. You'll see it faintly on screen, and it will appear in print unless you've changed print settings that suppress background elements. If the watermark looks too light or too bold once you see it on the page, simply return to the same watermark controls in the Design tab, open Custom Watermark again, and adjust the scale, color, or transparency until it matches your document's tone. And that's it. Your watermark is in place, and your document now carries a clear, consistent visual message across every page.